Wow. 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 Welcome back to my channel. I am Marsha K. And if this is your first time here, welcome to Marsha and Jeff. Jeff isn't here. Today, guys, I'm really stoked about this. I will be doing an unboxing, my first unboxing. Guys, I purchased my first ring light. This is the Neewer 18-inch LED 79-inch stand ring light. I've seen a lot of good reviews on YouTube and I was definitely sold on purchasing this item. I'm gonna go ahead and open the box. If you haven't already, go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, get our channel to 10K. And let's get this video started. I will put the information on this item in the description box below. Like I said, I purchased this from Amazon. This was $127.99, no tax. Prime delivery, so I got this pretty fast. So this is the newer upgraded version of the ring light. Ooh. Ooh. Opening. Oh, so it's a box in a box. So this is the box in a box. This one down. All right. So it comes in this case. It says Neewer. This is the back. And there's more stuff in here. I believe this is the stand. So we got one box. It says Neewer. One more box in here. Feels like cords. It's Neewer. It's Neewer. So let's open these up, guys. We're gonna start with the items that are in the box. We're gonna go ahead and assemble. Oh, so this is the leg. Wow. Figure it out. We're gonna figure this out together, guys. So, ooh, it probably goes this way, huh? Ooh, Jeff's not here to help. All right, so I'm just gonna put this down for now. Jeff is good with assembling items. So in this box, we have the installation instructions. All right, guys. We're gonna go ahead and open up this case. And voila! Just gonna check if there's anything else. Nope. All right, that's everything that's in there. That's all the items. So this is the ring light, guys. No, it's not on. It seems like it's on, but it's not. It's gonna be pretty bright. All right, so it's time to assemble. Ooh, okay. Looks pretty simple. So installation of light stand. Folded state. Hold the middle pole of the light stand with one hand and draw out the stand legs. Okay. Ooh, that was pretty simple. Wow. We open that up. And then I think you can tighten this up by screwing it in. Alright. Now we got this far. And then installation of nightstand. Okay. So figure out how to put this on. Oh, okay. I gotta take this off, huh? I think so. Woo! Let me look at this. Okay. Loosen this. Okay, I did that part. Installation and nightstand. Loosen the screw at the top. No, loosen the screw at the bottom of the ring light base. Attach the ring light to light stand. Okay. Okay. Don't think that's how it goes. Okay. I gotta loosen this part, I believe. And this one. But I'm missing something. I'm missing something, guys. Woo! I don't think, yeah, that is supposed to come off. When I say I'm not good with assembling anything, doesn't matter if it comes with instructions. I'm just not good at installation. Loosen the screw at the bottom of the ring light base. Okay, attach the ring light to the light stand. They make it look so easy. Oh, wow. I think we're supposed to take this off. If I'm not wrong, I think we're supposed to. This is for phones. I think. What is this for? I'm wondering what this is for. So I just need to figure out how to I don't think this is really loose. I doubt that. It goes like this. Nah, don't. I did not think it goes that way. Does it? The problem that I'm having with this, it doesn't feel secure. I'm going to bring this down a little bit so you guys can see. the ring light? But it's like wobbly. I don't like that. You see? I don't like that. So this part where you're going to place your camera, if you do have one or going to use one, it goes on the back of this. So you just spin this a little bit and then this, yeah, just goes in here. So if you have a camera, you just place it right here. I'm going to test out the power. This part obviously would connect with this. Do I have it right? You don't unscrew anything, guys, so you leave this part alone. This is the off and on nozzle. Go ahead and plug this in. Oh, that has a pretty long cord. All right, guys, so I'm gonna show you the ring light with it off. So this is currently with it off, and I'm gonna go ahead and cut it on. Wow, 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 wow. Oh my God. Oh my gosh, it's even more bright. Guys, look at this. Oh my goodness. I love it. I freaking love it. I'm gonna turn it off. I'm gonna show you guys. This is with it off. I'm gonna cut it off. Oh my God. Oh my God. You guys can see me. Oh my God, I can record in the dark. This is awesome. I love it. I would recommend it. I love it. I had some, you know, some difficulties with getting it on, and you know, it's a little bit wobbly, but besides that, guys, I love this ring light. Oh my God! I love it. I absolutely, oh my gosh. You guys can tell that I'm feeling this ring light. I love it, guys. Ring light, it is affordable. There's different prices with this ring light. I believe the cheapest one, I believe it was $87.99. So, oh my God. Guys, I gotta cut it off again. Look, guys, look, I love it. Oh my gosh, guys, I love this ring light so much. This is my review of the newer upgraded 18-inch ring light, and guys, I love it. If you liked this video, go ahead and comment down below. Go hit that thumbs up, and guys, it's been a pleasure. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.